beautiful night. We're looking for something to do. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you. It's in the look in your eyes, always in these dancing dreams. Who cares, baby? I think I wanna marry you. Still travel on the boulevard, we can go. No, 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 oh come on, yeah. Oh yes, if the trash get up on the full of cash, we can go. No, it's a start, girl. Don't say no, 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 no. Just say yeah, 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 yeah. And we'll go, 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 go. If you're ready, like you're ready. This is a beautiful night. We're looking for something to do. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you. It's in the look in your eyes, always in these dancing dreams. Who cares, baby? I think I wanna marry you. Just say I do. Tell me right now, baby. Tell me right now, baby, baby. Oh, it's a beautiful night. We're looking for something to do. Of course, baby. I think I wanna marry you. Bill Dix!
And the ladies go wild, bro! Bill Dix!
Yeah. Alam mo, Bill Dix, eto, may sinabi ka na merong isang bagay na hindi mo sinasadya na mangyari yun. Ano yun?
Sa tuwing may nag-cheer po, habang kumakanta ako, di ko pa naiiwasan mapasayaw.
Ano masama naman doon? Kung pwede mo sumayaw, tsaka kumanta.
Enjoy! Ini-enjoy na yung talent, di ba?
Ito ang balita namin sa isang fanpage mo sa Facebook na umabot ng halos 23,000 at counting. Munti ka na mabura, ura-bura. Ano gusto mong sabihin sa mga sumusuporta sa'yo? Sa buong Digos na talagang naka-projector pa para sa'yo.
About din sa fanpage ko po, sa lahat ng Big Dexters po. Hello, Big Dexters! Kahit nabura po yung page natin, okay lang po. Salamat po sa suporta na inibigay ng suporta. At tsaka sa mga taga-Digos, hello Digos! I'm proud to be a Digosenios. Thank you.
Judges?
Nakapunta na ako sa Digos, nakita ko kung saan ka nakatira, namit ko yung mom mo. Ako talaga, ang puso ko na sa'yo kasi nakikita ko how much you love your mom. And alam ko na ang success mo makakaahon sa buong pamilya ninyo. So pinagdadasal talaga kita. You did a good job with this. Bill Dix, habang pinapanood kita, hindi nawawala ang ngiti ko. Napaka-refreshing ng act mo. At ang cute-cute mo at lahat ng mga babae na kukitang sa'yo.
In PGT1, ang tinitilian ng tao at saka meron ng pages, web pages. Jobit. Mukhang ikaw ang napipili ng tao. So I hope you make it to the finals. Good luck.
So ang Digos dapat bumoto ng bonggang-bongga.